All right, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started earning Ethereum with Forsage, decentralized matrices, smart contract. We're going to do it with the Trust Crypto Wallet app, okay? So go ahead and navigate to your Google Play Store or your App Store and find Trust Crypto Wallet. It looks like this. I already installed it, and we're going to open the Trust Wallet and click on Create a New Wallet. Okay, click on this check mark, and now it's going to show you your recovery phrase. So make sure that you write down your recovery phrase, the 12 words, very important, on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Okay, so go ahead and write it down now, and then continue, and then put the recovery phrase, the 12 words, in order. Go ahead and do it now. Okay, go ahead and click on the Done button, and now you have your wallet created. Okay, next thing that you want is to put Ethereum here. Now it's recommended to get started with at least 3 spots in both of the matrices, which is about 0.35 Ethereum. Now you can get started with as little as 0.05 Ethereum, okay, but you can do more. If you want to earn more with Forsage, then you can get 4 or 5 or 6 slots or more. I started with 6 slots from the get-go, okay, which is about 3.15 Ethereum. So what you want to do is click on receive and transfer Ethereum here. You can buy Ethereum in a variety of different ways. For example, Binance.com, you can buy Ethereum there, or Crypto.com, you can buy Ethereum there with a credit card or with any other method that you know, and send Ethereum here. Go ahead and do it now. Okay, now that you have Ethereum in your wallet, and just for demonstration purposes, I have put 0.37 Ethereum. Okay, you go to dApps, or if you're on iPhone, you'll see browser, and you put in here the link, okay, that you got from the person who referred you to Forsage, or what you're seeing right now on this page. You just copy and paste it right here, and click on Done. And then, very simple, you're going to choose here the English language, in case it's going to be in Russian. It's a Russian project coming from Russian programmers. That's why you want to put it in English, and click on enforcing. Okay, right here. You want to click on enforcing, the pink button. And now choose the English language over here and click on the registration, this green button. Now make sure that you're under the correct upline with their ID over here. And just click on the confirm, the green button, confirm, and it's going to open up a new window for you to confirm an interaction with the smart contract with 0.05 Ethereum. It's going to open to you 2 slots, 1 slot in each of the matrices. So the transaction is being set right now on the Etherscan to confirm, okay? So as you can see, it is pending, and in a couple of seconds, it's going to show us success. Okay, now that it is shown as success, what you want to do is get back to, click on back, okay, and put in forsage.io. Get back to Forsage and click on the pin button again, okay, and you want to click on the automatic login, the green button here, okay. It's going to get you inside inside Forsage. Now you have your ID, right here that you have has been assigned. As you can see, 9,254 participants so far, earned the total profit of 4,929 Ethereum, and 300 to 400 people are joining every day. So now you have 2 of these matrices have been open to you. So what you want to do is click on the next one, 0.05, on this pink shopping cart, click on it and confirm the purchase. And then it's going to open up the screen to confirm and approve. And this is what you do with each one of the slots. Very, very simple. The more slots you activate from the get-go, the more income you can generate faster with Forsage, okay? Because with their marketing plan, okay, if you have, for example, 3 slots open and you refer somebody and they activate 4 slots, the 4 slots income is going to be passed to your upline if you don't have it active. You can only earn from the slots that are active. So the more slots you activate, the better it is. And you want to activate simultaneously the slots in Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. So now let's refresh this, refresh the screen, and it's going to be already 0.05. The same thing you want to do over here. Click on 0.05 on Forsage X4 and approve, okay? Very, very simple. That's how you repeat the process. That's why this program is so simple and so effective for you to generate income in Ethereum, all based on a smart contract, decentralized project. You can see here your affiliate link over here, your Ethereum wallet, Twitter account, the smart contract address. Everything is fully transparent. Okay, I started with 6 slots from the get-go. You can get started with more. If you can activate 4 to 6 slots in each of the matrices, and then you can go from there until you activate more and more income slots. Whatever you activate, it's going to be there forever for you to benefit and to generate income and passive income from. Okay, please refer to the marketing plan to learn more exactly how it goes. So that's how simple it is to activate. Let's refresh it, the screen. Okay, and you can do, it's going to show green in just a second. Yeah. Okay. And you just repeat the process for 0.1, okay, 0.1, 0.2, and keep going and keep activating the slots. So that's how simple it is to get started with the Trust Wallet in Forsage. Welcome to the team.